In this video, we are going to see how we can reset the Wi-Fi settings on an iPhone. So for example, if you want to forget the network or you want to just reset all the network settings to forget all of them, here's what you need to do. First of all, you can head over to the settings section or just find the settings icon on your iPhone. And from here, we will find this Wi-Fi option. Click on that. Now, what you can do is you can open a specific network just like this one. I'm connected to this one. So what we can do is just click on forget this network from here and click on forget. The other thing that you can do is just swipe up. When you see this Wi-Fi icon, just click on that, just click on it again, click on Wi-Fi settings, and this will take you to the same section, and you click on the information for it and click on forget this network, click on forget, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.